Tired of messy blankets? Let's fold it right with Imperial Room. Lay your blanket flat on a clean surface, smooth away any creases, and fold it in half lengthwise edge to edge for that clean, even look. Align those edges neatly. Precision here makes for a picture-perfect finish. This is where your blanket transforms from fluffy chaos to compact charm. Fold it lengthwise once more. You're aiming for a sleek, soft strip. Next, fold one end toward the center, then overlap the other side like you're sealing a love letter made of warmth. Now for the magic touch, tuck in the open side like an envelope, flap and press down gently. Smooth out any last creases and admire your neat, compact, and utterly satisfying work. Here's the final look, soft, neat, and ready to impress. Thanks for watching.